how to trade on Binance for beginners. So the first thing you'll need to do is sign up for a Binance account and make sure you complete the identity verification. Now, once you're in, you want to deposit funds by clicking on Add Funds button here. Now click on View More, and from the top right here, you want to select the currency that you want to use, and then just click on Buy with USD or whatever currency you chose. Now specify the amount, for example, $500 that you want to spend, and then from here, from the Buy button, select the cryptocurrency that you want to get, for example, USDT, and it should tell you at the bottom here that you're getting $493 equivalent of the $500 you spent in USDT. Now click on preview order and you can select the payment method from here to use. And if you've deposited direct fiat into your Binance wallet, you can use that to buy the crypto instead of an actual payment method. Now, once you complete this payment process, the money should be credited to your account. You can click on assets here, an overview to see everything you're holding. And you can switch between crypto and account to see all the investments or the crypto coins that you're holding. Now for trading, you want to simply press the trade button at the bottom here, and then make sure you switch to spot. And then you want to pick a pair that you want to trade by clicking the drop down here. And for example, you can look for popular pairs such as Bitcoin USDT by searching BTC here and then select BTC USDT. And this means you trade Bitcoin against USDT. Now, there are three basic order types that you'll need to know about. The first one is a market order, which basically involves buys and sells almost instantly at the current market price. And the second type of orders is limit order, which basically sets your own price to buy or sell. And it just waits for the market to be at that price and automatically buys or sells for you. And the last type is stop limit, which helps you manage the risk automatically. So for example, if you're holding Bitcoin at a specific price, and if it drops below a certain threshold, it automatically sells it to stop the loss automatically. Now to make your first trade, you want to switch to the buy option here. And then you can select the order type from the drop down here. You can use limit. Then you want to enter the amount that you want to put in. If you believe the price will go up, you can simply buy now and sell it after it goes up. And you want to enter the amount in Bitcoin here. And then simply click on buy Bitcoin button here. And once you buy, this should be down here marked as an open order. And then you just have to wait for the market price to go up if you believe it's gonna go up, and then simply sell it from here and take the profit. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.